What's up, everybody? Welcome to Stocks in Play Daily. This is going to be the weekly recap video for December 26th through December 30th. This is going to be a video going over some of the stocks and plays that are working and why they're working, with some of the targets that I still have in mind for them. Okie dokie, let's get into it. ORMP, currently at $12.04 a share. We were checking this stock out on December 22nd. I believe this stock is possibly targeting the 12.80 range. Next up, this is South Korea oral insulin distribution deal for ORMP. Next up on our list, we got AKRO, AKRO. On December 19th, this stock was at $46.95. It's currently at $54.80. So we were checking this stock out about here. $54.80 currently. And I'm expecting a range of $58 to $59 potentially if this type of a breakout continues. And this is all-time highs for AKRO, AKRO. All-time highs continuation. FDA is granting them breakthrough therapy status for their drug for metabolic disorders. And I was targeting in mind about $58 and $59, potentially $60, but if it fails, just a little shy. Okay, next up on the list, we got VKTX. On December 19th, we were watching this stock at $6.99. Just about here. Per share, and it's currently at $9.40 a share. This stock has positive news on development of drug for audio or visual problems, if I'm not mistaken. Let's pop the news really quick here. It was actually moving in sympathy with another stock, as far as I remember. Metabolic and endocrine disorder. Yeah, more metabolic disorders. Okay. Well, Viking Therapeutics. Currently at 940, targeting 960, 994, 1009. Just there. $10.33. Here, $10.63. Give or take. There. $10.94. How about here? And that's where I called it a day. ETNB up next. ETNB. This stock is a stock from December 19th we were watching. It was at $9.86 a share. Currently at $12.73 a share for ETNB. I believe we got targets on this stock at $12.90. 1307 pre-market or aftermarket highs from last Thursday. 1311. 1337. 1370. 14 even, and 1432 next up on the list. And next up on the watch list of stocks that worked this week, past week of trade, MUFG. This is a bank. They sold Union Bank to Bancorp. They got a bunch of money, $5.5 billion of cash, and they got 44 million shares of U.S. Bancorp stock. So 1 year breakout level potentially coming up here at 678 a share. I have targets set at 686. 691 and 697. $7 flat and 715, which is about there. Alright, next up on the list, TGTX. TGTX has the FDA approval for multiple sclerosis treatment Briumvi, currently at $11.83 a share. This stock, I have targets for TGTX at $12.54. $12.90, $13.62, $14.15, and $14.62. Okay, that's TGTX with an MS drug FDA approval. PDSB, the stock has 21 months survival rate versus 4 to 6 months average survival for a cancer type. Currently at $13.31 a share. I'm setting up targets here for this stock at $14.13 and $14.50 next on the list. Right about there. Looking at 15 and 15.43. Give or take here. 15.60 and 16.40. Right about there. Targets above 16.40. 17, 17.11, and 17.85 for PDSB. Okay, next up we got PRQR. Expanded Eli Lilly partnership, currently got 50 million in cash, up to receiving 1.5 billion in cash for RNA editing, currently at 375 a share. This stock is targeting 4 flat for sure next up, and then I believe we're looking at 470 to fill this gap. 5 even and 550, which is just around the 200 week moving average. That's PRQR. Been watching that one and holding 25 shares. PRVB. Waiting for the Sanofi announcement for after their FDA approval they just received. Sanofi's announcement will be coming by February. This is the stock PRVB, currently at 10.57 a share. I have targets upcoming at 11.15, 11.20, and 11.30. 11.15, 11.20, and 11.30. 11.50 as well. $12 and 12.25. 12 even, with 12.25 being about there. Beyond that, if things get super bullish, $13 even and 13.50, 13.43, you could call it, for PRVB. We're currently working on 1 year breakout highs, working up the ladder of the 2-year chart here for PRVB. GLYC next on the list. GLYC on the 200-week chart, we have a level of 360, give or take. This company works on cancer therapies, and they have a 62% positive response rate for patients with acute myeloid leukemia. Not like I know what it is, but it is a bad type of a cancer, and any type of response rate is a positive thing for GLYC. Currently at 3.12 a share. Targets at, and November 9th, by the way, they beat EPS by about double expectations. That's a positive. They cut the loss in half, basically, you could say as well. Targets at 327, 345, and 350. $345, $350, and the 200-week moving average come in about 360, give or take. That's GLYC. And that's going to do it for the weekly recap video for stocks in play for the week of December 26th through December 30th. Markets closed on Monday, but I'll have a watch list up for you guys coming in on Monday for our stocks in play watch list, so we could hopefully make some money and make some good trades. Well, you guys have a happy new year and be safe. Looking forward to seeing you on the next list. Have a good one. Bye-bye.